personal trainer website templates with Divi. We explore two remarkable options: a premium template that brings unique design elements and a versatile free layout from the Divi package. Let's jump right in. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First up, a high-quality template from the Divi marketplace. Priced at just $19, this template offers exceptional value for those looking for a standout website design. Let's explore the live demo to see what it has to offer. Starting with an impressive hero section, this template captivates visitors with its bold typography and engaging call to action, perfect for making a strong first impression. Check out the About Us section, designed to tell your story vividly. It balances text and imagery seamlessly, ensuring clients connect with your brand identity. Moving into the Services section, it showcases your offerings in a clean, organized format, allowing potential clients to easily understand the benefits of your training programs. The Pricing section clearly presents your packages with elegance and simplicity, making it easy for potential clients to choose the right plan for them. Finally, the Contact Us section features an engaging form, encouraging visitors to reach out and begin their fitness journey with you. Now onto the versatile free template included in the Divi package. Once you download and install the Divi theme, this template is ready for use with seamless integration. Starting with another compelling hero section, it entices visitors with its design and inviting call to action, ensuring your message is front and center. Explore the Services section, laid out to highlight each program effectively, encouraging visitors to inquire more about what you offer. The Offers and Details section provides clarity on specialized packages and promotions, an essential feature for converting visitors into clients. The Gallery section allows you to upload videos and images, a perfect spot for showcasing client success stories and workout highlights, enhancing engagement. The Pricing section is simple yet effective, offering a clear view of your service costs and package options, encouraging easy decision-making for potential clients. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.